I was working with Reese Witherspoon this past spring and winter, and I happened to just say in the makeup room one morning, I said, "So how many movies have you done?" She goes, "Oh, honey child, I don't know, it's been so many."
Oprah did a really cute impression of you. I wonder if you have one of her.
You get a Golden Globe, and you get a Golden Globe, and you get a Golden Globe. I think so much of my career for 27 years, I never got to work with another woman. Oprah's hugs could end wars, solve world peace. It's like your oldest, dearest friend has just seen you after the longest journey of your life. It's that good.
From the very first day that she walked in the trailer, I felt, wow, honey child.
In this and everything you do, you've changed our lives.